I don't take anything for granted, especially where I grew up and where my heart lays. I hope that you all can enjoy just this tiny snippet of a place I'm lucky enough to call my home county and motorcycle playground. If you like this kind of film, stick around because I can show you on my channel a few more beauty spots, or even better, come and check out the hills and the valleys and the sandy coves for yourself. Come and tour the place, why not? It's gorgeous.
Good day, lovely people. It's another beautiful day here on planet Earth. I'm here, United Kingdom, Kent, Garden of England, my backyard.
So, sit back, relax, brace yourself for some raw POV countryside rides and roads on board my Honda Africa Twin CRF1000.
This old DCT gearbox. I wasn't too sure at first, but slowly falling in love with it. It's a great thing.
It's on days like this that I truly reflect and appreciate where I am in the world. I've been to many places on the globe and marvelled at some stunning locations. But there is something so very strong about the place you call home. And it's our roots grounding us, as strong as my local forest grounds the trees.
Check it out. Have a go on that one. Beautiful little lanes. The Weald of Kent. go this way. Quite a pretty little way. Past the zoo, Howlett Zoo.
Thank you for your time, people. You are appreciated. And do leave some feedback or support. It's always interesting to talk to you all. And be sure to be seeing some more snippets of my county Kent, the Garden of England, my backyard, or my Africa twin. Stay lucky, people, and most of all, stay upright.